Hi guys, thanks for joining me. We're at 25 Harbor Drive, really close to downtown Greenville, yet feels like a peaceful retreat right here on Saluda Lake. And man, does this house have a lot to offer. It's about like this gorgeous day. It has a ton of upgrades, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a designated office space, and just shy of 3,000 square feet. I can't wait to show you. As I'm standing here looking at all of this entertaining space, I bet setting up an outdoor entertaining spot would be a snap. All right, guys, I can't wait to give you a tour of this beautiful home. It's an open floor plan and it has so much space for entertaining. The first floor has a designated office along with all of this gorgeous space. I can't wait to show you around. Let's go. Welcome to your dining room. And what I love about it is this builder really does not leave anything left out of the build. This gorgeous chef's kitchen, and one thing I love, our family loves to eat. So you've got to have a place to store all of your canned goods and items, and there's tons of storage space as well as a designated pantry. So one thing I can tell you is size does matter, and who doesn't love a nice big pantry? Absolutely love this floor plan. It's an open floor plan, which is super nice for entertaining, but also it is a little cozy with your fireplace, and you have a nice coffee bar here. I also love the fact that on the first floor, you've got, as soon as you come in the doors, a good drop zone. Everybody loves a drop zone. It helps keep you organized. So as you're coming from the garage or outside, you have a place to put your things. And then, of course, everyone loves a nice first floor guest bath so that your guests are not having to go upstairs into your private space. And welcome to the office on the first floor. Who doesn't love an office with lake views? I don't know about you, but that would be my first pick for an office view. Welcome to upstairs, which is where your private wing is. All of your bathrooms, as well as your laundry, are on the second floor. Follow me. We have a nice bedroom here with custom built-ins in the closet. No wire racks anywhere in our homes, which is a super nice feature. And these views. Just take a moment and picture yourself with these views. The one thing I love about this house is all of the indoor-outdoor lifestyle opportunities. All of your bedrooms are up here, along with your 2 full baths and your laundry, but access to these beautiful porches. You've got a cover porch to be able to enjoy throughout all seasons with the weather, and then this gorgeous uncovered porch where you could just bask in the sun and take in the views. Oh, glad you could join me. Who doesn't love a big, spacious laundry room, especially one with utility sinking? One of my favorites. Welcome to your second bedroom. This art wall, each home has their own designated art walls, and so far, not 2 designs are alike. It's as unique as the homes and the communities that Las Cruces Homes builds in. Hello. We saved the best for last, a huge owner suite with a gorgeous custom fireplace that really does set the mood for peace, relaxation, coziness, when you're ready to just blot the world out and come into your own space. And the spa-like bathroom is second to none. So the spa-like bathroom is amazing. You have 2 vanities, so you have one for each person. You don't have to share. And a nice soaking tub along with a separate shower, and everyone loves a water closet. And of course, what is an owner suite without a huge custom closet with built-ins to store all of your beautiful things? Who doesn't love a 4 seasons completely covered outdoor balcony that is stunning? It has a quartz countertop, wet water kitchen, and absolutely amazing with a fireplace to enjoy throughout all seasons in upstate South Carolina. And I told you I'm a sucker for a gift drop zone. And here we have our second drop zone, so you can store all of the items that you don't want to be outside, but still close and accessible.